And I'm thrilled to be joined by government leaders, members of diplomatic corps, and esteemed friends from the global machine tool community on this momentous occasion. For half a century, Timtos has been at the forefront of industry breakthroughs, setting new benchmarks and shaping the future of manufacturing. This year's theme, Integrate to Innovate, highlights a fundamental truth. Real progress happens when people, technology, and ideas come together. Think of it like baseball. Success isn't just about a single star player. It's about teamwork, being flexible, and moving forward together. And speaking of great leadership, we are honored to have President Lai Ching-te as our team captain. Under his guidance, Taiwan is making bold strides in artificial intelligence, transforming industries, and driving global progress. Mr. President, on behalf of everyone at Timtos, thank you for your vision, dedication, and unwavering commitment to Team Taiwan. Your leadership continues to strengthen our partnerships with global friends and industry allies, propelling us toward a future of innovation and collaboration. So thank you, Mr. President. Innovation means seizing opportunities when they arise. And at the heart of innovation, yes, machine tools. They are not just about making products. They build entire industries, aerospace, semiconductor, defense, next generation communications, and more. Every breakthrough in these fields relies on cutting-edge machine tools. And today, our partners are at the forefront, driving progress and shaping the future. But the game is changing. AI is revolutionizing the way we think, design, and build. No industry can afford to stand still. AI and automation aren't just the future. They are the driving force behind the next wave of transformation. And at Timtos, our partners are ensuring that businesses are not just keeping up, but leading the way, ready to compete, innovate, and win in this new era. Like any winning team, success is built on trust and collaboration. This year, we proudly celebrate 50 years of strong partnerships with friends from the United States, Germany, Switzerland, Japan, and beyond. Together, we are poised to take innovation to new heights and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. AI-powered machining, robotics, and next-generation production aren't just concepts. They are happening right now. Live demos and expert panels will give you a first-hand look at what's next. But here is the key. Technology alone does not drive progress. It's the people behind it. And that's why we are thrilled to introduce the Timtos keynote, featuring industry leaders from THK Japan, Techman Robot Taiwan, and more. They will share their insights on AI, the future of work, and the evolving world of manufacturing. Timtos 2025 is a defining moment. It's our time to come together and drive the next industrial revolution. Today, innovation, collaboration, and bold thinking are the forces that drive real progress. Now is the time to take big steps, embracing AI, and build a smarter future for every industry. And we can only do it together. And this is exactly the spirit of Timtos. We are a dream team of builders. We are not just shaping industries. We are turning bold ideas into reality. We are shaping the future of our society. So let's integrate to innovate with purpose. Thank you, and welcome to Timtos 2025.